ithini qala sa
Darling ngicela ukubuza ngabe usangithanda na
Ngiyekele malunga sekuthando
Darling ngicela ukubuza ngabe usangithanda na
Ngiyekele malunga sekuthando
Phela ngibona
indlela oyenza ngayo ayikhombisa uthando Darling ngiyekele malunga sekuthando
Phela ngibona
indlela oyenza ngayo ayikhombisa uthando Darling ngiyekele malunga sekuthando
ngama ne-duty hey, duty won that round, bruh. King. Iyacula le. Izocula kanjena mfethu nafuna yo. Oh, good. Yizwa abekho abantu abacula mfethu. There are people who can sing individually, ne? Ungacula uyi-one, we don't care. Yeah, umnandi, ne? Mfethu, amaZulu mfethu uma ecula ehlangene mfethu. Yo. You can hear different layers of my voice. You can hear bassy. You can hear olokala. Yo, bro, it's just fire. And even though I'm like, but Zulu people like Mongenau, TikTok, like everywhere. Kimatsu, like you guys don't, you guys don't understand, like, and it's not just Ukula. Like, I feel like even about to like South Africa, we are like really proud of who they are. Like the Zulus don't fake for anybody. They don't care about you, bro. They don't care. They're Zulus all the way. By the time you say well, and it's beautiful, bro. It's just beautiful. But yeah, uma sicula mangaye. Thina besuthi masicula mangaye. I think we can compete nabo. Compete compete ne, but ngeke swini. Cause amangaye nawo amnandi mfethu. Amnandi amangaye mfethu. Mfethu. Mawazi acula ingaye mfethu. Hey, you're missing out. But amnandi amangaye nawo mfethu. Zinani ngoma zisuthu ezinye. But bathi ingoma. Yo. I just need a Zulu girlfriend, bruh. I just need a Zulu girlfriend. Angazi. Don't hate. This is probably like the worst reaction I've ever done, bro. But fuck it. I've been recording this reaction again and again, bro. But this is the last short and get compared. Anyways, guys, comment, like, subscribe. If you don't do that, please,